Our first concept is Komorebi. While an A2 student might simply say sunlight through trees, in English, as intermediate speakers, we want to look at the verb to filter. Komorebi describes the sunlight as it filters through the canopy. In English, we have a specific adjective for this, dappled. When you walk through a forest and see spots of light on the ground, that is dappled sunlight. It is a very evocative literary word to add to your toolkit. Next, we have a habit many of us share. Tsundoku. This is the accumulation of books that we intend to read, but never quite get around to. It represents a gap between our intentions and our actual behavior. We often describe this as an aspirational habit. You buy the book for the person you want to be. In English, we use the phrase verb to pile up to describe some of those unread novels on your bedside table. Finally, the term Kuchisabishi. Literally, this translates to lonely mouth. This is a fantastic way to describe absent-minded eating. You aren't experiencing physiological hunger. Rather, you are seeking sensory stimulation because you are bored or restless. In English, we might call this emotional snacking or simply eating out of boredom. It is a very relatable psychological state. To recap, remember dappled for light, aspirational for habits we hope to have, and absent-minded for actions we do without thinking. These words help you move from basic descriptions to precise, natural-sounding English. As Rita Mae Brown once said, language is the roadmap of a culture. It tells you where its people came from and where they are going. When we learn words like these, we aren't just memorizing definitions. We are learning how to navigate the Japanese soul through the lens of English. Now let's open it up for discussion. Do you struggle with Tsundoku? Personally, I have a massive pile of history books that I've been meaning to read for years. Let me know your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching episode 3, and I'll see you in the next episode.